It all comes down to this. Day 7, 9:44. Just picked up our first order. Uber Eats, $14. It's currently 4 degrees. The real feel is negative 17 degrees. So that's going to make it tough. I added up all my income for the first 6 days. We at $930. So we only got to make $70 today. It's the final countdown. Alright, so we dropped off that first Uber Eats order. That gets us to about 9:44 for our 7-day total. I had to get out the car and use some snow to clean my windshield for you guys. That's dedication. Alright, so after that Uber Eats order, I got a DoorDash offer for a Dunkin' and Ace Hardware. It was like 30 bucks. I picked up the Dunkin'. I seen the Ace Hardware was for one item. The quantity was 2, so it was for 2 heaters. There was like no heaters whatsoever. So I told them the backup's out of stock also. I took a picture of all the empty shelves of where the heaters go, and then I canceled the order. I put a little note for DoorDash, all bathroom heaters out of stock, and then they gave me $12 half pay. I proceeded on, dropped off that Dunkin' Donuts order. After that, I got this Stop and Shop DoorDash order for around $30 to shop for around 15 things. So, about to be at Stop and Shop momentarily. This order shouldn't take too long. Yeah, buddy. Took care of that DoorDash order. That was about 30 bucks. They got a bunch of wings, hot sauce. Somebody making some wings for the Super Bowl. After we dropped that off, I started eyeing some shipped orders. So I'm about to be a Target now. I'm gonna go take care of these orders. Party people, 11:53. Shop for those 2 orders. So I'm already on my way to my first drop off. We're about 7 minutes away, and then we're gonna head on to the second drop off. All right, we took care of those 2 shipped orders. Dropped them both off by like 12:20, 12:15. There was a cool bear statue outside my last customer's house, so I took a selfie with it. Figured you guys might get a kick out of that. That got us over 1,000, so we hit our goal. Woo woo! We're at McDonald's now, picking up our final order before we wrap things up. It's been a fun journey. Let's get this McDonald's. All right, we dropped off that DoorDash order. We're now well over $1,000. Challenge completed. Hey, yo, editor, add up all the totals. Throw the final income on the screen for me. Add up all the mileage. Throw the mileage on the screen for me. And add up all the hours worked. Throw that on the screen for me. It's 12:52. So we ending our day early. I'm actually my own editor. If you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. Thank you everybody for tuning in and watching the series. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a fun journey. My favorite part was probably going to my son's game this week. That was fun. I'm glad I got to film that a little bit. And then cooking the steak, getting my dog in the video. That was pretty cool too. The steak was day 2. The basketball game was day 4. If you haven't seen that, Feel free to go back and check it out. I appreciate all the support. Until the next one, peace out, hustlers. It's the final countdown.